Hey guys, we're going to be working on this question today. So basically, we have this rhombus here, and then we're going to try to find the area of this rhombus. So we already know a few of the information about this rhombus. Well, we know these values and that it's a rhombus, but the values already prove that. So let's get right to it. First of all, the formula for the area of a rhombus. Area equals PQ over 2. Now this P is equal to this diagonal, which we already thankfully have, and then this Q is equal to this diagonal that we have to find. So we already determined what we need to find in this question. So let's get to that finding. What we're going to do first is we're actually going to separate this rhombus into two equilateral triangles. So one equilateral triangle, two equilateral triangles. So we'll take one of those. And then we already know some properties about it. 2 root 3, 2 root 3, 2 root 3. It's an equilateral triangle. And then, so we know that P is actually Q is actually 2 times of this height here. So let's find this height. How we're going to find this height is that we're going to separate this triangle into two triangles. So we already know that this is 90 degrees because it's perpendicular. And so let's find this height here. Well, we know that this over here is half of this. So if this is 2 root 3, then half of it is root 3. And now we can just use Pythagorean's theorem to find the height. So the answer you're going to end up with is 3. Okay? 3 centimeters. And since this Q is 2 times of this height, we're going to multiply this height by 2. So 3 times 2 is 6. So we know that Q is equal to 6, and we already know that P is equal to 2 root 3 centimeters. And now let's plug that into our formula, and then we will be done. So area equals PQ over 2, which equals P is 2 root 3, Q is 6 over 2, and then you're going to end up with 6 root 3 centimeters because this cancels out. And that's your final answer, centimeters squared. 6 root 3 centimeters squared. There you go. I hope that was helpful, and thank you so much for watching. See you next time.